harvesting my sili. Because my brother is cooking right now. And she asked me to get some talbos ng sili. This one, right?
Yeah.
But this one is a bunga. That one is for pipino. And look, this is the sili.
Akala ko yung ano.
This is the sili. That's the sili.
Ito ang ating ano.
Rod, I think we can harvest na the ano.
The
mais, do you think? I think we can.
Ay, oo. Ay, oo. Kasi ano na
Oh,
tingnan mo.
sili here. What do you
Kunin mo na yan. Pwede na yung mais.
think?
May
I can
mga
get it.
mais na. Oo.
I'm gonna get it now.
Yeah. Parang ano na yun
Oo nga, I'll take it.
Take it na.
Rod, actually, I have ano. I have this one to harvest. Let's try to harvest the mais there. Do you think you see it's gonna be ano na? Oh, Rod, oh.
Oo. Ikaw daw si Small Loud eh. Small
It's
Loud
gonna
eh.
be ano na.
What?
It's gonna be old na. You see this one, oh. Parang isa lang yung na-harvest natin. Which one? Kailan naputol? Diyos ko, naputol ang aking tanim. Si Rod naman. Corn.
Pwede. Yeah, okay.
Parang hindi maganda yung bunga ng mais ko. Hindi siya healthy. Parang dalawa lang ang nakuha kong mais.
Yeah, the other one on top.
This one?
Yeah.
It's too small.
That's okay. Kung yun lang
Oh, hindi pa naman. Pinakuha mo na agad sa akin.
Maliit pala.
Ay, ang liit.
Pero yan na
Oo
oh.
nga, yun na yan.
Sapat lang. Ayan oh.
Do you think this one?
Oo. Ah, hindi.
Hindi pa.
Ah, hindi pa.
I think this one, Lord. Kasi yung mais ko today.
Ayan.
Pwede ba itong kainin?
Ay, oo, pwede. Oo. Okay na. Ano to?
That's my calamansi.
Ah, calamansi. What's
You
this?
think you want me to get this calamansi na? Do you think it's gonna be okay na?
Di pa.
Not yet?
No, no, no.
We'll have to wait?
Oo.
Okay. We don't have pipino pa.
Pipino o zucchini?
It's pipino. About the okra. The okra.
Not yet.
Parang ang babansot ng okra ko. Oh, see? Look, why my okra is like that?
Yeah.
Titi of baby, that's not hindi natulian. Liko. Look. It's like hindi natulian the titi of the baby. From here, do you think I'm gonna get this one, ah? Diyos ko, nabunot ko yung maliliit na talong. Here's yung talong.
Ano to?
Patatas.
Mga patatas. Ba't ang dini rin lang?
Eh, maliit eh.
Reject.
Oo. Ha,
Hindi pwede ibete sa palengke.
natanggal ko to, hindi pa to pwede eh.
Ba, hindi mo pwede ikabit. Kaya mo na.
Tara na. For today, the talbos of the sili, the corn, and talong. That's all. My brother